At some point, there's going to have to be a shift in what we're doing in terms of global energy consumption. We have a lot of energy that comes from wind, a lot that comes from the sun, but we have a lot of higher power industrial things out there that run off of other things besides that. Now, one thing that goes overlooked oftentimes is geothermal energy. There's also the talk of trying to capture the inertia of the earth, that energy. And now we're finding out that the biggest billionaires on the planet are teaming up through different ventures to go out and test some of these fields and to go down these avenues so they can capitalize on top of this and they can be the ones in control of these avenues as well. Now, they're already controlling the fiat landscape across the globe. They're controlling the oil. This is how they control everyone. Now, if there was a shift in the future, if they were to try to roll this out, they once again would be in control of all of this, being the ones that put forth the money in the beginning, and then in the end, they would take in billions, and they would be in control of this sector, is my point. Now, this is an area that I believe everyday people need to be looking into in terms of geothermal energy, solar energy, wind energy, and we need to be working on a package or something that works for people in general, where you can put all these things together and have something that works to reduce your dependency on a grid, on a power grid, and things of that nature. Now, if they were to go full steam in this direction and actually get this up and operational, they could be supplying energy to many different places. Now, they go on to say that Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Jack Ma, they're all invested in this breakthrough energy ventures company that's going out here trying to push this geothermal project. It's called Baseload Capital. Now, it's connected to this company called Climion, which builds standardized machines to tap geothermal energy. And what they're doing is they're saying they can go in with these modules. They can stand around 2 meters tall. They're cubed. They can produce 150 kilowatts of electricity, which is enough to power 250 European households. And we're talking about the world's richest people that have a chance to help feed every starving mouth on the planet. Yet, they're about to make an advancement down this avenue, which I could see them controlling completely. So we have to be aware of this. If there's any other laws or things pushed, or they're trying to do this or that from here on out, you have to keep in mind that there may be a connection to this. If they try to say that whatever, you have to have licensing to do something like this. And then you look into it and find out that the licensing to do something like this is like $1 million. That just ruled every one of us out, right? So you have to be aware of the tactics here that they're using. Wanted to make mention of this. All in all, the idea here is good. Tapping into geothermal energy. Being able to use these stations to power 250 houses. So if you could have one of these set up, it would be key. But like I said, they're looking to capitalize on this, and usually in this process, they find a way to weed out the smaller guy. Licensing and things like that could do just that, but things to look into. I'm going to leave a link below. This has been Dabu7. Much love, y'all.